with Auckland is that, you know, it's the Polynesian capital of the world, so if you can't make an impact in Auckland, then, you know, you can't really dent, you know, in terms of the need that's there.
We've started our community bike club called Mangere Bike Fit. My vision for this bike club is Mangere to be the bike capital of the Pacific. Every day they're up there and want to go riding, and you know, just got to keep up with them now. Back in 2012 I wasn't healthy at all, so I thought I needed to do something, so got into a bit of physical activities and then got into cycling, and then just carried on from there, so it was awesome.
I think the key thing to remember is that the communities, not only in Auckland but in other areas, you know, Wellington, etc., is still connected to countries back home, you know, like Samoa and Tonga and Fiji, etc. So there's still that great connection, you know. So what we do here can actually help, you know, others back home, you know.
Really today, USO felt, you know, something we knew about, we knew it was happening, we thought it was a great idea, but you know, to actually see it firsthand, experience it, it just makes it really come alive. It's a fantastic initiative.